Hello lovelies, how you guys doing? I hope you guys are doing safe. This is Lady B. Today we are going to be making oilless okra soup. Come, let me introduce the ingredients. So welcome. If you want to see how I achieve this oilless okra soup with spinach, watch this video and see how I got here. These are my ingredients. I have okra, I have red bell pepper, I have onion, I have ginger, I have garlic, I have seasoning cube, I have stockfish. I soak the stockfish in water, hot water, and those are my minced meat, and that is my vegetable spinach. So I'll put it inside a pot. So this is my pot. The water has been boiling. I will add my meat. This is my meat. And I will add this seasoning cube, some salt, garlic powder. So I'll close it and allow it to cook while I go ahead to blend the red bell pepper, the onion, the ginger. I'll come and add to. So what I will be doing now, I'll be adding my bell pepper, onion, and ginger. I'll also be adding my stockfish. So now cover to cook while I go ahead to slice the okra and this. So this is my okra. You can cut it to any size you want, but for me I'll be cutting it to my desired size, and this is how I cut it. Some people do cut it smaller. You can cut it like this, you can cut it anyhow you want. So that is how I'm going to cut all the okra. This is the last okra. So after I finish, this is what the okra look like. I'll be using the same dicing board to slice my vegetable as well. I have cleaned my vegetable. I washed it thoroughly. Okay, so this is the vegetable. I'm not cutting. So we check on our meat and see how it's doing. Okay, we are still going to leave it here to still cook more, at least for another 10 minutes. We check on our meat and see. Okay, okay, our meat is well cooked. So what I'll be doing, I'll be adding the okra. So that is the okra. I'll add it a stir. So I'll taste for salt if it is okay. Okay, I'll just sprinkle little. Okay. Then the next thing, I'll be adding my vegetable as well. So now that I've stirred it thoroughly together, I'll cover it just to steam for 2 minutes. 2 minutes. So this is our okra, guys. As you can see, our okra is ready. So I'll be offing the gas. If you like the way I cook it, like it, share it, comment on it. Thank you for coming. If you are new here, subscribe to the channel. God bless you. This is the outcome of our okra, oilless okra soup. Thank you for coming. God bless you. See you in my next video.